Hey guys, Jason Scudellari from CPP, and today I'm here to talk about our all-new premium universal tilt columns. They come in both floor and column shift, and they come in this molded case to keep it safe during delivery. Let's check out what's inside. So we got our steering column, our column shift, two different style turn signals, hazard buttons, and tilt levers. We have two shift arms, a straight and one with a bend on it. Our bezel, two different shift indicators, one for a 3-speed, one with an overdrive. Safety neutral switch, and the pointer. Some of the features of our new column are all new internals, the light for your shift indicator, a 4-way safety hazard, 4 different sizes, 28, 30, 32, and 33, and 2 finishes, satin black and chrome. If your car was not equipped with 4-way hazards, you'll need to buy an adapter kit sold separately. So when you're ready to buy your classic car or truck parts, visit classicperform.com or give us a call.